JLG continuously innovates to solve customer challenges on the job site. Our team focuses on bringing you greater productivity, enhanced operator confidence, and advanced technology with every product we introduce. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the new Jlg E313, our first electric telehandler. The E313 is designed for all-terrain, off-road use and allows you to explore new applications in indoor environments and emission-restricted zones. This model provides all the advantages of an ultra-compact, electric-powered machine without sacrificing performance. Our new E313 has zero emissions, so you don't need to worry about diesel exhaust. That makes this telehandler ideal for emission-free job sites like urban, residential, and municipal environments, as well as any indoor space. Electric machines drastically reduce noise levels to allow work in noise-sensitive spaces or on job sites where noise restrictions are enforced, such as urban or residential areas. Because this model emits less noise, it provides improved on-site verbal communication, as well as the ability to extend working hours for overnight projects. The E313 features an 18.6 kilowatt-hour electrical system. This contains 6 maintenance-free 48-volt lithium-ion batteries with integrated battery heaters. This allows up to 4 hours of continuous operation or extended intermittent use, depending on the application. The intelligent battery monitoring system provides a state of charge. It also initiates a reduced performance mode when the battery falls below 20%, reminding the operator to recharge the machine. This model is equipped with an onboard charging system that self-monitors available power and adapts the charging rate accordingly. In addition, 2 convenient charging adapters are provided, allowing you to charge the machine with either a 110-volt or 220-volt power source. To begin charging, retrieve the proper adapter and connect it to the machine. Once connected to the power source, push the green button to initiate charging. The machine display will indicate that charging is in progress. Approximate battery charging time with a 110-volt power source is 11 to 12 hours, and 2 to 3 hours with a 220-volt power source. The E313 is also equipped with a regenerative braking system, which generates power back into the batteries while minimizing brake wear. Now that we understand the benefits of the new electric-powered E313, let's talk about what makes this ultra-compact telehandler a powerful addition to any job site. With a 3,500-pound maximum lift capacity, the highly maneuverable E313 features a maximum lift height of 13 feet, so operators can access dump trucks and single-story buildings. Its 7.5-foot forward reach allows operators to extend the boom into truck beds, onto trailers, and over obstacles. The integrated hitch adds to the versatility of this machine by giving you the ability to haul tools around the job site. This model has a 2-speed electric transmission, high-speed 2-wheel drive, and low-speed 4-wheel drive for optimal performance and power management. The E313 is equipped with a mechanical universal skid steer coupler. This allows you to use existing skid steer attachments. An optional hydraulic universal skid steer coupler is also available. Compared to a skid steer's counter-rotating steering, the E313's rear pivot steering results in less ground disturbance, and that is one of the reasons landscapers prefer this machine to a skid steer. Additionally, the oscillating rear axle provides a smoother ride for the operator and load. We understand that operator comfort is key to productivity, so we've designed the cab with the operator in mind. Available with open or enclosed cab options, the E313 offers easy entry and enhanced visibility. It features an adjustable suspension seat and integrated armrest. Operators can control the machine with a single multifunction joystick that includes forward, neutral, and reverse. It also includes high and low drive speed selection, as well as a boost button to increase boom speed on demand. Auxiliary hydraulics and attachment tilt are also included. Power and other important machine information can be easily monitored with the integrated electronic display that shows electrification information and fault code reporting. The E313 includes several important features for enhanced operator confidence that we'd like to call out. First, we have load stability indication, or LSI, which is standard on the E313. This senses when the machine reaches its forward load capacity and alerts the operator. By eliminating the guesswork of handling loads, this system helps operators work with greater confidence. Another key feature is seatbelt engagement and operator presence, or SEOP. This system helps protect operators with seatbelt engagement assurance, operator presence sensing, and a high visibility orange seatbelt. Now let's talk about maintenance and service. The E313 features electric motors, which are virtually maintenance-free. No more changing oil, no more replacing engine parts, no more lugging fuel to a job site. And when service is required, access is easy. Batteries, chargers, and charging adapters are all conveniently located in one place. The single-piece counterweight protects the batteries and other interior components of the machine. Because the E313 offers reduced maintenance and trouble-free serviceability, you benefit from lower operating costs, and that's better for your bottom line. This machine is equipped standard with ClearSky Smart Fleet, our fleet management and communication platform for true two-way fleet interactivity. Access Smart Fleet through our ClearSky mobile app or the web portal. This concludes our walk around on the E313 electric telehandler. I hope you've enjoyed this overview. As job sites evolve, you need machines that evolve with them. Our new electric-powered telehandler transforms the way you work. It delivers zero emissions, low noise, reduced maintenance, and easy serviceability, all with the same high performance you expect from a JLG telehandler. The E313 telehandler is ideal for indoor construction projects, transporting materials on job sites, facility maintenance, and work on job sites that require no emissions or low noise. To schedule a more in-depth demo, contact your JLG sales representative or visit jlg.com.